Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in this Audi Q3 and we're going to be changing the pollen filter. So let me show you where it is and exactly how to change it. So to access the pollen filter in this Audi Q3, we need to come into the passenger side and we're going to be, there's our new pollen filter. We are going to be going into the glove box. When you're in the glove box, you can see this black panel just here. So if you put your finger in and just pull it out, just like that, set that to one side. And then just down here, you can see this little black panel here. There's 3 tabs at the top, which we need to pull down each one, just like that. Once you pull them down, the little door will slide out, and then you'll have access to this pollen filter. When you're pulling it out, just notice which way the airflow goes. In this instance, it's flowing downwards, and as always, nice dirty pollen filter. So we're going to take our new pollen filter, and we're going to notice airflow going down. So we're going to line that up in the hole. And we're just going to slide it into position. Then we can take our little trap door, locate the 3 little pins in the bottom, and just snap it back into place. Make sure all 3 tabs snap back into place. Then we can get our little cover. And it's just going to hook around at the back there, and then it will just push in like that. Once it snaps into position, shut the glove box. So there you have it. There's a quick video on how to change your pollen filter. If you've got a smelly interior or you just want to service your vehicle, that's how you change it. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.